My Lords, sir, as I indicated, I am aware that your Lordships are seeking to take directions.
Yes.
And because of that, I think I need to make clear what we are in the process of filing in this court. Because I believe it would not be really, I mean, it would be useful if your Lordships are aware of that in advance. My Lords, we are applying in the papers that we're in the process of filing, we are applying to reopen our case because we closed our case on the basis of the indications of witnesses that would be heard. We closed our case on that basis. We are applying to reopen our case, and on that basis, we will be issuing a subpoena addressed to the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana. And we believe that those processes are necessary processes that would have to be heard and determined in this case. We also intend, subject to receiving a copy of the ruling that you delivered this morning, we also intend to apply for review of that ruling. And that application, we believe, would also have to be heard in order. Very well, my Lords, we're drawing your attention to it because we believe your Lordship should take that into account in whatever directions you give. We do not think that it would be appropriate for us to have to be bringing applications for stay of proceedings and so on. I mean, we can do that, but it may be better to avoid going through all those different processes if your Lordships would allow us the opportunity to file and have those processes determined.
With all due respect, we cannot prevent a party from filing processes. When a process is filed, the court will come and hear it. Whether it is review, whether it's stay, whether it's an application to reopen the case or whatever, we will come and hear it. But these are the directions. Yes, by court. By the ruling just read, the respective cases of the first and second respondents are deemed closed. This court hereby orders that the parties hearing should simultaneously file their respective closing addresses or submissions on or before Wednesday, the 17th of February 2021. The petition is hereby adjourned to the 18th of February 2021 for counsel in this petition to highlight on the written addresses or submissions so far for the petition to be adjourned for judgment. So we will come here on the 18th of February. Yes. Yeah.